The 10% rule to build credit fast. Have you just gotten your first credit card and you're already freaking out? Losing sleep? Thinking you're going to mess it all up? Seriously, stop. It's normal to be overwhelmed by credit, but I'm about to give you some insane news there. It's a super simple habit that can add a crazy 50+ points to your score in just 90 days. That's it, just 3 months. Today, I'm not just giving you a tip. I'm handing you the ultimate playbook so you can stop stressing and start building credit like a pro, starting right now. Are you ready for the fastest, most insane credit hack of your entire life? Banks don't tell you this, but they reward one thing more than anything else. It's not how much money you spend, it's not how many cards you have. It's about staying under 10% of your credit limit. If you can do that, you'll get a 700 credit score faster than anyone you know. This isn't a theory. It's a proven strategy that literally makes lenders want to give you money. Stick around because I'm about to show you exactly how to do it without giving up anything you love. First, why is 10% the magic line? I know what you're thinking, math. No, don't click away. This is the easiest math you will ever do in your life. It's not calculus. You only do it once. Ready? Just divide your credit limit by 10. That's it. That is the absolute maximum balance you can have. If your credit limit is $500, you can never have more than $50 on your statement. That's it, 50 bucks. If your limit is $1,000, your max is $100. See, it's not scary. And if you're still worried, you'll forget. I have a pro tip. Set a reminder on your phone for 2 days before your billing cycle ends. When it goes off, check your balance. If it's over 10%, pay it down right there. It takes 5 seconds. This tiny action will give you huge results. Now, here is my unstoppable 2-part autopay challenge. Set autopay to pay your full statement balance a few days before your statement closing date. I am not kidding. Do this right now. By paying the full balance before the statement closes, you guarantee a 0 or super low balance gets reported. This is the ultimate credit score cheat code. And as a backup, turn on automatic minimum payment for your actual due date. Think of this as your emergency parachute. If for some crazy reason your first autopay fails, this will make sure you never miss a payment. A late payment is the fastest way to destroy your score, and we are never letting that happen. This is how you set it and forget it, and get a perfect score with 0 stress. Let's be real. You're going to forget to do this manually. We all do. Automation is infinitely better than willpower. Now, if you have a tiny limit, let's call it $200, $300, even $500. 10% of $200 is $20. You can't even buy a pizza with that. It feels impossible, but it's not. Here's the challenge. Treat that card like a subscription. Pick one small bill you already pay, like Netflix or Spotify, and charge only that to the card. That's it. Don't use it for anything else. Then set autopay to pay it off in full every month. This is a genius move. You show you're using the card every month, you keep your utilization ridiculously low, you never have to worry about overspending. It's the most powerful, hands-off way to prove you're a responsible credit user from day one. After you've been perfect for 60 days with your new card, paying on time, keeping it under 10%, it's time for the next level. We are going to ask for a credit line increase. Go into your banking app and hit that request increase button. Why 60 days? You need to prove for a couple of months that you can be trusted. A bigger credit line is a game changer. First, the 10% target gets way easier. Your limit goes from $500 to $1,500. Your 10% target jumps from $50 to $150. Second, having a huge credit limit that you barely use makes your score go even higher. When you request it, ask for double what you have now. The worst they can do is say no or give you a smaller increase. Take whatever they give you. Any increase is a win. Then immediately calculate your new 10% number and stick to it. Don't spend more. Just enjoy the higher score. Now listen, building credit is a marathon, but we want to see the results to stay motivated. So download a free credit score app like Credit Karma or Credit Sesame right now. Inside the app, find the utilization section. As long as that number is under 10%, you are crushing it. Now listen, ignore the little day-to-day changes in your score. They don't matter. What matters is the trend over months. Is it going up? Yes, that's all that matters. Here's what I challenge you to do. For 3 straight months, keep your utilization in the single digits and pay on time. I guarantee you will see a 20 to 40 point jump in your score. After 6 months of this, you'll be in prime score territory where you get all the best rewards. Here is the ultimate combo. Always pay on time and always keep your utilization under 10%. When you combine the 2 biggest factors, it's like a supercharged engine for your credit score. This is literally how people go from having nitrogen monoxide credit to a 700 credit score in less than a year, while their friends are still getting rejected for everything. If you found value in this video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next valuable videos that will save you thousands of dollars. Thanks for watching.